spiral staircase in an RV.
We bought our first RV from Camping World.
Well, maybe that's
used.
the problem.
This is the one. You're crazy if you buy an RV.
Yes.
You cannot have this.
I'll give you a couch for naps, but not this. 200,000 for a fifth wheel. Sure, we've got that.
This man's Paul.
Sexy
Not my
Larry.
sexy pose.
Alliance. What?
This is where Larry's gonna be sleeping. Okay, we're headed to the Jacksonville super duper show. I'm not sure how super duper it's gonna be.
It's the mega show.
Oh, it's a mega show.
Mega show.
Sorry, the mega Jacksonville mega show. This is a much smaller RV show, but we are still on the hunt for an RV, so hopefully we're gonna find something today. So we're paying big bucks to go to the show today, $10 a piece.
And a bunch of diesel, because it's like an hour away.
This is at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center outside of west of Jacksonville. So we'll see if we can. Maybe we're coming out of Jacksonville with an RV today. We're pulling an RV behind the truck today.
They don't have any cougars.
No cougars. It won't be a cougar because there's no cougars at the show this time.
Well, there are other kind of cougars.
It's mostly Campers Inn and General RV. Those are the two big ones there.
So Camping World's not there?
Nope, no Camping World.
Yeah, I would not buy from Camping World. Thank you very much.
But the problem is that it's the only place to buy a cougar in Florida, though.
No, there's gonna.
Yes, that's it. Cougar. Camping World is it.
No.
Yes, that's
well,
true.
Then we're going to Georgia to get one because their little disclaimer, whatever, that you have to basically give away your first child if you buy an RV from Camping World.
Lehto's law video that we saw.
Yes.
You're crazy if you buy an RV.
Yes, he's right.
Yeah.
You're crazy if you buy an RV from Camping World.
Right. I don't think we should say that, though.
I already said it.
Yes, the one we're living in right now, we bought at Camping World.
Well, maybe that's
Used.
the problem. We are here at the Jacksonville Mega Show.
Versus the Super Show.
No, the Super Duper Show in Tampa. But hey, we still need an RV.
So we're here at a regional show, which is much smaller than the Tampa show, but we're hoping maybe it's a better experience than the Tampa show.
Well, you won't get as overwhelmed because there's so many brands and so many choices, but it's interesting driving in here. There's no line. There's no line to get in, and it's a
short walk. It's going to be interesting to see the differences between, because we were just at the Tampa show less than a month ago.
It's too quiet. There's no bands. There's no clowns.
And this is at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center, which is on the west side of Jacksonville. But let's go check out the Jacksonville Mega Show.
Mega.
What are you taking? Oh, the Jacksonville Equestrian Center. Alice is getting her pictures already. We're coming in the big show here.
And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to the bathroom because it was like an hour and a half drive.
It wasn't too bad. It's just an hour from the kids. We are walking out of the vendor area into the abyss of RVs, but this is not exactly like walking out into the Tampa show.
There is music at least.
There's music, yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm at the Campers Inn, and these are the 5 reasons we should buy from Campers Inn. I don't know about that.
We came to the Jacksonville show hoping that we'd see some RVs that weren't at the Tampa show, but they're not here. But I just wanted to talk a little about their floor plans here. This is the Alliance Avenue, and it says all access series, but this is what disturbs me. When this slide goes in, you have no access to the bathroom or bedroom.
I don't think that's what they mean by all access.
Well, I think it's ironic. Okay, and here, this one, same thing. Slide comes in, no access to the bathroom or the bedroom. I'm not done. This next one, slide comes in, no access to the bathroom or bedroom. Alliance, what? Okay, we are in a DRV Suites. Are we thinking about buying a DRV Suites? No, but they sure are pretty.
Look at this. Now this is what I call storage.
But how many sites could this fit in? That's the whole point. We want to go to 30 because that opens up more sites.
I think what she's saying is, no, Larry, you cannot have this.
No, Larry, you cannot have this. I'll give you a couch for naps, but not this.
This is where Larry's going to be sleeping.
Okay, but can it handle the weight?
Yeah, can it handle the weight? This is going to be Larry's new doghouse.
Oh, this slides out easy,
this
babe.
is cool. Keep
One
going, keep
finger.
going, keep going. It goes way out, honey.
Wow.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
You look kind of sexy,
Whoa.
babe, there. Sexy
Is that
Larry.
my sexy pose?
Sexy Larry.
We're walking down to Northwoods RV where they've got, hopefully, some Arctic foxes.
But not a fifth wheel Arctic fox. Northwood, we need fifth wheel Arctic foxes in Florida.
You just never see them. They're always way out in Oregon or Washington or California.
Got the same color?
Yes. You know that guy? We finally saw him.
Oh my God!
We've been looking for you all day. But we are going to do a selfie with that thing because with this shirt and that, it's friggin'
Oh
hilarious.
yeah, it's him.
It's him.
He's going like this. This man's Paul. Here
Come
I
get
am.
me.
Come and get me.
You guys do it so much better than I do.
Buy an RV from me. Okay, Paul is bringing us over for a personal tour. Paul going to be our RV matchmaker.
I'm your go-to guy. So you need to check this out. This is the Retreat 391 CLDL. It's the first 3-story, 5-level destination camper.
You ready for 5 levels, baby?
Now watch this though. First thing I see is a spiral staircase in an RV.
That is pretty cool. You do get a good view from up here.
Yeah, you do. We were in a Grand Design reflection and Larry was this close.
I
buying
thought it was the one. Like, you know, you find, oh, this is the one. And then I realized the windows are on the wrong side. So it's always something.
And the slide closes and cuts you off from the bedroom and bathroom.
I really like that reflection, but I think it's a no-go having those big windows on the wrong side of the RV. We have to have them on the camping side.
Where they belong.
Where they belong, absolutely. Okay, another RV show today. Not exactly the Tampa show here in Jacksonville, but we saw a lot of rigs for it, only being here for maybe 5 or 6 hours. We got to hang out with our buddy Paul from Campers Inn. And
we actually, I think, saw more RVs today than we did at the big show.
I think we did. We toured a lot more RVs. We got inside. The crowds weren't nearly as bad, so we were able to see some RVs.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the things cool about these little regional shows. They're not as crowded, and you can get in there and see them. We actually closed the door a couple of times, so we would get bugged.
But a lot of the smaller shows don't have as many RVs. They didn't have the Cougars here, for instance.
Yeah, so we still have not picked a rig yet. We're close. We're this close to doing it. So if you don't want to miss when that does eventually happen, please click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. You know, if you're looking for a rig, are you looking for a fifth wheel? Are we just being crazy picky? Tell us down in the comments, what the heck is wrong with us?
You can also always message or comment on our Instagram and Facebook.
I'll leave a link to a playlist of all the recent craziness and looking for an RV right over here. And remember,
Downsizing is hard, but it makes sense.